Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the view you want to export. Choose the model or sheet and zoom to fit. Once done, open Print Setup and select a PDF printer such as Microsoft Print to PDF or a virtual PDF driver. This determines output compatibility. Make sure paper size, orientation, and scale match project requirements so the output is accurate. Adjust units and scale factor now, because fixing them later wastes time. Then open Print Organizer or Print Dialog to arrange sheets for batch export. Next, you define exactly what will print by selecting the print area, window, view, sheet, or model, depending on your layout. Then configure plot styles, line weights, color mapping, and whether raster images print above or below vectors, because those choices impact legibility and file size. Make sure rotation and paper offsets are correct to avoid clipping. Use Print Preview to inspect any overlaps, missing elements, or scale issues. This step prevents reprints and ensures layers and fonts appear as intended in the PDF. Finally, click Print or Export and provide a file name and folder. Choose single or multi-sheet export as needed. Once the PDF is generated, open it and verify scale, text clarity, line weights, and that nothing is clipped. If something is wrong, close Microstation and retry with a different PDF driver or adjust plot styles and scale settings. Those are common fixes. One troubleshooting tip: if fonts or line weights change, embed fonts in the PDF and switch raster/vector priority. Then re-export to preserve the original appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.